getting over right now. Teachable moment. I hope you understand this. This is real. I'm not making this up. You always have to have room, allow for people to have safe maneuvers, because this is the highway transportation system. We're almost into the blind spot now, and you want to continue moving. This guy's smoking. That's not good. I'm lifting my foot a little bit because the traffic is slowing down. Over a bridge right now, so it will be really windy. Taking my time, being patient, looking ahead. You often want to need to know your follow distance. I'm going to come from this green sign. 1001, 1002, 1003. I'm about 3 seconds away. Much more. Man, look at that volume of traffic. That's crazy. You want to stay smooth and be aware. They're from Nova Scotia. Woo, a long way away. So they use one blinker to get over. I suggest 3 to 5 blinks of the blinker. That's 2. Is this sufficient? It's okay, but I really want to make sure my students let the road tester know what's going on. I'm scanning, looking, checking traffic. I'm lifting my foot a little bit because I don't want to tailgate. A guy on a motorcycle crashed on this exit ramp going too fast. It's a really tight cloverleaf. More on that later. So I'm making sure I have good speed. We got our yellow line to the right, which is our warning. We have our edge line to the right. That's the edge of the road. I'm scanning, looking around. We have the white Ram 1500. The wind is definitely blowing the car.
Prepare to exit the highway in 2 miles at exit 240B.
You can feel the wind kind of pushing the car back and forth, and that's a perfect example of turbulence. And when you pass big trucks, that's what happened. Speed control is pretty nice, pretty good speed control. Looking in about 2 miles, I need to get over to the right. So I always tell my students get over early, get over often, so you don't miss your exit. That truck is empty. There are a lot of trucks hauling trash. Speed control is nice. The flow is slowing down. I'm going to go ahead and get over one lane to the right. I'm going to show you the difference in speed. I'm in the middle lane right now. It's pretty smooth. Taking my time. Usually